Exercise 13.2 from question number 7. The question number 7 is for some constants a and b find the derivative of. It means the a and b are the constants. The first is x minus a x minus b, second ax square plus b whole square, and third is x minus a upon x minus b. The function is f x minus a x minus b. Now first multiplies these two terms. We get x square minus a plus b into x and plus ab. Now differentiation of this. So we can write d over dx of x square minus d over dx of a plus b into x and d over dx of ab. Okay. So it is equal to the 2x by the formula of x raised to power n. In this we get a plus b. The differentiation of x is 1 and d over dx of ab, these are the constant. A and b are the constant, therefore the differentiation is 0. The answer is 2x minus a plus b. The second function is ax square plus b whole square. Fx equal to ax square plus b whole square. Now open the function by using the formula a plus b whole square. It is equal to the a square x raised to power 4 plus 2ab means 2ab x square plus b square. Using the a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the differentiation. Differentiate each term. A square x raised to power 4 d over dx. 2ab constant. We can write 2ab d over dx of x square and d over dx of b square. The differentiation of constant is always 0. So here a square and differentiation of x raised to power 4 by using the formula of x raised to power n. It is equal to the n x raised to power n minus 1. It means 4 x raised to power 4 minus 1 is 3. 2ab. Differentiation of x square is 2x and this one is 0. So we can write 4a square x cube plus 4ab x. 4a square x cube. Now we can take common 4ax. If 4ax common, it means ax square plus b. Okay. Next, third one. The function is given that x minus a upon x minus b. So we will differentiate by the using quotient rule. The quotient rule of division u upon v. The denominator, it means v. Differentiation of numerator plus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Okay, minus differentiation of denominator divided by square of denominator. Okay, so now use this rule. The differentiation f dash x, denominator is x minus b and differentiation of x minus a minus x minus a and differentiation of x minus b divided by denominator is x minus b whole square. X minus b, differentiation of x minus a is 1 minus x minus a, differentiation of x minus b is 1 because the differentiation of x 1 and b is 0. Now x minus b whole square. Now solve, we get x minus b minus x plus a upon x minus b whole square. X cancel. The answer is a minus b upon x minus b whole square. Now question number 8. The question number 8 is find the derivative of x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a for some constant a. The function is given that x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a. Now the differentiation, it means d over dx of x raised to power n minus a raised to power n upon x minus a. By using quotient rule, denominator, differentiation of numerator, minus numerator and differentiation of denominator, divided by square of denominator. Okay, now calculate. This one is x minus a. Differentiation of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. And differentiation of a raised to power n is 0. Minus 0. Minus differentiation of x is 1 and a is 0. Divided by x minus a whole square. Okay. Now solve n x raised to power n, multiply these two terms, and minus a into n x raised to power n minus 1. And 1 multiply minus x raised to power n plus a raised to power n upon x minus a whole square. This is the final answer. Okay. The question number 10, find the derivative of. There are 6 questions. Okay. Fx equal to 2x minus 3 by 4. The differentiation of this is d over dx of 2x minus 3 by 4. Simply differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay. Separate the terms. Okay. So now differentiation of 2x is 2 and differentiation of constant is always 0. The answer is 2. Okay. Now the second one, 5x raised to power 3 plus 3x minus 1 upon into x minus 1. 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 x minus 1. So we can use the product rule here. Okay. Separate, पहले हम इसे चाहे मल्टीप्लाई करके सेपरेट निकालना या फिर प्रोडक्ट रूल. तो देखिए प्रोडक्ट रूल में क्या होता है. First function is 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 and differentiation of second function is x minus 1 plus second function and differentiation of first function. This is the product rule of differentiation. Very important rule. Okay. First function, differentiation of second function plus second function, differentiation of first. Now we can do very easily. The first function write as it is and the differentiation of first is 1x. Okay, the differentiation of 1 x is 1 and 0 and the same x minus 1. Differentiation of this is 3 5 the 15 15x square by the x raised to power n rule plus 3. Okay, now simplify. 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 and here is 15x cube minus 15x square plus 3x minus 3. 15 plus 5 20x cube. X square is minus 15x square. 3x plus 3x 6x minus 4. Okay. Next third one. X raised to power minus 3 and 5 plus 3x. We can multiply also. 5 x raised to power minus 3 and 3 x raised to power minus 2. Now differentiate. F dash x equal to differentiation of 5 x raised to power minus 3 and differentiation of 3x raised to power minus 2. It is equal to the x raised to power n. Differentiation of x raised to power n is n x raised to power n minus 1. So we get 5 into minus 3 and x raised to power minus 3 minus 1, it is equal to the minus 4. Same 3 into minus 2 and x raised to power minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. The answer is minus 15 upon x raised to power 4 minus 6 upon x raised to power 3. Now you can take common b. Minus 3 upon x cube x raised to power 4 common. Okay. Minus 3 upon x raised to power 4 common. So here we get 5 plus 2x. Okay. Next, fourth one. Next function is x raised to power 5, 3 minus 6 x raised to power minus 9. We will use the product rule. Okay, for the differentiation. Product rule is first function and differentiation of second. And the second function and differentiation of first. Okay. Now solve. This is x raised to power 5. The differentiation of 3 is 0. Okay. And this one is minus 6. 6 is here. Minus 9. And x raised to power minus 9 plus minus 1. N minus 1 means this. This is the differentiation. And the next 3 minus 6 x raised to power minus 9. And differentiation of x raised to power 5 x raised to power 4. 1 less power. So we get x raised to power minus 10. It is equal to the, right here, 9 into 6, 54, x raised to power minus 10. And here is 5 into 3, 15, x raised to power 4 minus 30, x raised to power minus 9 plus 4. It is equal to the minus 5. Multiply 54 x raised to power minus 5, 15 x raised to power 4 minus 30 x raised to power minus 5. So we get 54 minus 30, 24. X raised to power minus 5 plus 15 x raised to power 4. Okay. So we can write 15 x raised to power 4 plus 24 upon x raised to power 5. नेगेटिव पावर को हम लोग चेंज कर दिए पॉजिटिव में. सेकेंड इज फिफ्थ वन. सेकेंड नो x minus 4 x raised to power minus 4 and 3 minus 4 x raised to power minus 5. This is the function. Now the differentiation by using product rule. First function, differentiation of this. And the second function, differentiation of first. Minus 4, differentiation of 3 minus 0, minus 5 minus 4, it is 20, and x raised to power minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1, 6. And 3 minus 4, x raised to power minus 5. The differentiation of this is minus 4 x raised to power 5. Minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Okay. Now solve. 20 x raised to power minus 10. Minus 4 minus 6 minus 10. Now minus 3 into 4, 12. X raised to power minus 5. And 4 plus 4 into 4, 16. Minus minus plus 16 x raised to power minus 10. 20 plus 16 is 36. 36 upon x raised to power 10. Minus 12 upon x raised to power 5. This is the answer. Okay. Next, sixth, the given function is 2 upon x plus 1 minus x square upon 3x minus 1. Now differentiation d over dx of 2 upon x plus 1 minus d over dx of x square upon 3x minus 1 by using quotient rule. The quotient rule is denominator and differentiation of numerator minus numerator and differentiation of denominator and divided by square of denominator. This is the differentiation of first function minus same denominator and differentiation of numerator minus numerator and differentiation of denominator by denominator square. Now solve. The differentiation of 2 is 0. So we will get x plus 1 into 0 minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 3x minus 1 and differentiation of x square is 2x and minus x square, differentiation of 3x minus 1 is 3 by 3x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so here we get only minus 2 upon x plus 1 whole square. Now solve. 3 into 2 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square. 3x square by 3x plus 1 whole square. 2 upon x plus 1 whole square minus 6x square minus 3x square is equal to 3x कॉमन ले लेते हैं तो यहाँ बचेगा 3x minus 2 divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. Okay, this is the differentiation. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Find the derivative of cos x from first principle. Cos x, the function is given that cos x and cos x plus h equal to cos x plus h. Now the differentiation by using first principle is limit h tends to 0 f x plus h minus fx upon h. Okay, now put the values. Limit h tends to 0 cos x plus h minus cos x by h. Cos c minus cos d. The formula of cos c minus cos d is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. So using formula, write here cos c minus cos d. This is the formula of cos c minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Okay, so it is equal to the minus 2 sin x plus h plus x by 2 and sin x plus h minus x by 2. Okay, divided by h. Okay, now limit h tends to 0. So we can write minus, right here, minus sin 1 upon h. Next step is minus 2 sin 2x plus h by 2 and sin x cancel h by 2 and divided by h, it means equal to 1 upon h. Now limit h tends to 0, we can write sin 2x plus h by 2 minus, okay, into limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 divided by this h, and this is the 2 is come here by 2, okay. This one is equal to the, put h equal to 0, so minus sin 2x plus 0 by 2, and the value of this is 1. Limit h tends to 0, sin x upon x equal to 1. So now value is minus sin 2x by 2. It is equal to the minus sin x. It means the differentiation of cos x equal to minus sin x. Okay. Last question number 11. Find the derivative of the following functions: sin x, cos x, sec x, all the trigonometric functions. The first is fx equal to sin x cos x by using product rule. In the product rule, first function sin x and differentiation of second, and the second function and differentiation of first. We get sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, okay, cos x, and differentiation of sin x is cos x. By formula minus sin square x plus cos square x, okay, minus sin square x minus cos square x. So we can write cos square x minus sin square x, and it is a formula of cos 2x. The differentiation of sin x cos x equal to cos 2x. Second is sec x. So we can write sec x 1 upon cos x. Now differentiation of this by using quotient rule. Quotient rule में क्या करते हैं, पहले डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, माइनस न्यूमरेटर and differentiation of denominator, and divided by square of denominator. It is equal to the 0, cos x into 0 minus the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and divided by cos square x, okay. So it is equal to the sin x upon cos x into cos x. We can write cos square x like this. Sin x upon cos x is tan x, and 1 upon cos x is sec x. So now answer is sec x tan x. The differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay. Now the third is 5 sec x plus 4 cos x. इसको हम सिंपल डायरेक्ट कर देते हैं क्योंकि sec x का तो अभी निकाले हैं, तो लिखेंगे d over dx 5 sec x and 4 d over dx of cos x. The differentiation of sec x is 5 sec x tan x, and differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. It means minus 4 sin x. Okay. इसको हम लोग ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 5 sec x tan x minus 4 sin x. Okay. Next fourth one is cosec x. Cosec x we can write 1 upon sin x by using quotient rule. Differentiation of function is d over dx of 1 upon sin x. The division rule or the quotient rule is डिनोमिनेटर लिखते हैं फर्स्ट और डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर, माइनस न्यूमरेटर differentiation of denominator and divided by whole square of denominator. It is equal to the 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. Now differentiation of sin x is cos x and divided by sin square x. So we get minus cos x upon sin x into sin x. 1 upon sin x is cosec x, यानी माइनस cosec x, cos x upon sin x, cot x. Okay. The next, fifth is 3 cot x plus 5 cosec x. 3 cot x upon 5 cosec x. Okay, so we can find by using rule. फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से भी निकाल सकते हैं और डायरेक्ट भी. 3 cot x, तो वी कैन राइट 3 cos x upon sin x. दिस वन कैन रिटन 5 into 1 upon sin x. अब इसको हम लोग क्वेश्चन रूल से डिफ्रेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. 3 यहाँ रहेगा और क्वेश्चन रूल क्या होता है, डिनोमिनेटर डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर माइनस न्यूमरेटर डिफ्रेंशिएशन ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर एंड डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर. सेम हियर, अभी निकाल के चुके हैं. कोसेक एक्स का सेम निकलेगा, तो हम लोग यहाँ लिख देंगे 5 sin x, denominator of this minus okay 3 sin x, differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Here is cos x and denominator cos x. डिवाइडेड बाई साइन स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस इसका यही आएगा, 0 हो जाएगा ये 5 और ये होगा माइनस कॉस एक्स अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. ये हो गया माइनस साइन स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स. साइन एक्स का कॉस एक्स होता है, माइनस माइनस कॉमन ले लेंगे, -3, तो ये हो जाएगा साइन स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स. इट इज इक्वल टू द 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर एक्स. दिस वन इज 5, ये हो जाएगा कोसेक एक्स कॉट एक्स, जो भी हम किए थे कॉस एक्स अपॉन साइन एक्स करके, और ये हो गया आपका -3 कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स -5 कोसेक एक्स कॉट एक्स. माइनस कोसेक एक्स कॉमन भी ले सकते हैं, नहीं तो ये भी राइट आंसर है. ओके, नेक्स्ट एंड द सिक्स्थ इज 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Now the differentiation d over dx of 5 sin x minus d over dx 6 cos x plus differentiation of 7, that is 0. Here we can write 5 differentiation of sin x is cos x. It means 5 cos x minus plus 6 sin x. Differentiation of cos x minus sin x, minus and minus plus 6. It is equal to 0. This is the answer. And the last one is 7th. 2 tan x minus 7 sec x. Okay, the differentiation 2 is constant, so we can write like this. The differentiation of tan x is sec square x, and the differentiation of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay, तो वी कैन टेक sec x कॉमन भी ले सकते हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा 2 sec x माइनस 7 tan x. ओके